Today video will be talking about how to know a scam token manually. How can I, if I see a scam token, how can I know it? Maybe in the next video we're talking about special tools that I can use to know a scam token. Okay, let's go. Here we open our desk screener. Okay, and we're gonna be diving right down to the newly created base. Okay, now let's look for the newest token. Okay, I set this to AH ascending. Check the liquidity to 10 because these are newly created tokens. Okay, now let's look at this first token here. Zai. Okay, at first there are things to look at. Look at the name of the token. How does the name sound? The name can go a long way to tell if this token is real or not. You know, you can, when you see a token like sounds like GMS, EMS, and AGC, names like that, you're able to tell that this token actually looks real. Understand? There are names you can hear like this Zai of a thing, Elon blah blah blah, Mr. Elon game this, Mr. Elon do this, Elon love date. All those names they sound odd. They sound odd, and they'll be able to tell you, look at, hey, this token doesn't look real in my own ears. Now, okay, let's go down to business. Look at this token. I have Zai. What is the liquidity? Liquidity is 81k. The market cap is 97k, as you can see right now. While the fully diluted value, this is the fully diluted value. The LGV is 97k too. Also, now, so far this token was created 10 minutes ago, and it has 17 buyers and 4 sales. Okay, now let's look at, open the transaction to look at. Now, this token is a scam token. It's a scam token. Now, how do I know? Now, look at this transaction now. This token was created 10 minutes ago. And when you look at the buy, the average buy here is 8,000 and above. You're having 2,000, 3,000. It was just that someone even put 4,000. Ask yourself the question: who can put 7,000 in a token that is being created new, that doesn't even have a foundation or a background? This token is being created, and the dev, together with his crew, are the one pushing this token up just to make sure it gets to the trending token and get other people to put their money. Like example now, this person that put $5, this is a real person, understand? And this money now has gone. This person that put $186.5, these are real people, and their money is gone. These are people that have been scammed. You understand? Now let's look at this token now and look at the transaction rate. You see that this token doesn't look real. This token doesn't look real. 11 minutes ago, and it has a transaction volume of 57k. 39k buy, 17k sales. This token is not real. It's a scam. It's a pure scam. I wish this video could have been long enough. Would I come back to this video maybe after 10 minutes and see, say that this token will be rocked by then. This token looks like a rock pool. It looks like a rock pool, as you can see, and it's only one. The buy is coming at this interval. One buy, sorry, one sell, one sell, one sell, one sell, one sell. Obviously, this token is not real. There is no coherence. There is no two wallet that sells at the same time. I look at the buy. The buy happens at an interval. The interval of this is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 seconds. This is about a 30 seconds interval. There is no buy that happens at a particular minute, the same minute, same seconds. You say that this token a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. Now, okay. Now let's look at let's use tools to analyze it to see if we are wrong. Okay. look at, you use token sniffer to see if we are actually wrong. I think token sniffer is having issues this night. It could not be able to open. I've tried to open it somewhere else. It's not opening. Okay, let's look at it all and see. Oh, something is happening here. It's not opening. Okay. Um, it's not opening. But for the purpose of this tutorial, there are tools to use. Tools like token sniffer, um, Isrock, honeypot, and thereabout. There are a lot of them. These are tools that could help you to dictate if this token is real or not. You know, but for the best of my knowledge, this particular token is a scam. It's a scam token. These are scam. People trying to scam their fellow human being. Look at it. Look at the sales at an instaver. You understand? So this token is actually a scam. Maybe in our next tutorial we'll be talking about how to some of the bots, some of the Telegram bots that could be used to dictate the scam token. That should be in our next tutorial. I wish this token sniffer could have opened, would have used it to teach on how to use token sniffer. But don't worry, we are going to still do a separate videos on how to use token sniffer to dictate if a token is scam or real. Thank you for watching our video. We advise you subscribe, and keep activate the notification button so you know when our video